All right, so I got my optic in for Monstrum for the 24-inch 5.56. I think it's a 3 to 9. I always like checking their website out. They be having good deals here and there. Got a good warranty, just like Vortex. You know. And a lot of these scopes come with the mount. I like that too. Some of them Vortex and other ones, you got to buy that mount separate. So battery, cleaning cloth, manual, decal. This should be the rings or whatever it come with to mount it. Alright, so it come with those rings. Allen key to tighten those up. Yeah, I think I first got introduced to them, to this website. I seen 704 Tactical test some of their stuff out. Yeah, some of their products. I think my first 2 scopes I had ordered, he had a promo code, and after that I started getting stuff from them. So this is a 3 to, what is that, 9. 3 to 9. Yeah, 3 to 9, 32. So it's kind of small, but I got a 32 on my 20-inch 5.56. So the reticle turns red or green. Yeah, that's green right there. So they scopes be having some clear glass. So that's green right there. And that's what it looks like with nothing on. You can still see through with these covers. I don't know if that's like to block the sun or something like that, but you still can see through them. So we'll get this mounted on here, put these on, and then we're gonna put it on the gun, and I'm gonna show you what it looked like on the gun. Well, yeah, this one says 1 year. Some of the other stuff do be lifetime, but this does say 1 year, so I don't know. Battery is a 2032. All right, so we got the optic on the 26-inch, not 26, the 24-inch 5.56 with the Fat Cat. So we still waiting on the buttstock. We got a different one coming, because this one right here, it just moves too much for me. And it's like, you know, the basic one. So I just put that on because that's what I had left over. But I like the flutes and the bear on here. So we're gonna get this zeroed. And I'm gonna be testing this Fat Cat out pretty soon. Yeah, so that's pretty much, I don't think we're gonna do a vertical grip on this one, because we basically only shooting this, you know, with the bipod. So I'm gonna probably take those vertical grips off those other ones too. I just like the look without it. Give it a little cleaner look. And for some reason, this one is super light. Maybe I gotta compare it to some of them other ones, but it's light. It feels real light in my hand. I don't know. But I know some of them, like my Creedmoor is a heavy barrel, is a 20-inch, and you could definitely feel the difference in the weight. But I mean, that's an AR-10 lower also. So, but this one feel real light. So we already off camera, we already ran, made sure the lower was good, got everything oiled up on there. So that's good. But yeah, I like the small scope on here. I think this is the same on my 20-inch. I believe it's the same. Everything just look sleek and low profile on this one. So yeah, that should be here in a couple of days. The butt stock, switching that out, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, ain't nothing else being done to this. No lights, no none of that. I don't put none of that stuff on these. Then after that, we just gonna test it out on a chronograph. Test it out with a few different suppressors, the T2, R9, Resonator K, and stuff like that. I see your motivation, I see your movement is in effect, and I fucking love that shit. Let's get it.